In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Janome HD5000 PE. This is the latest addition to our sewing studio. It is a heavy-duty machine. That's the HD. It's the 5000. They make a 1000 and a 3000. And it's BE because this is my favorite part. It's a black machine, not white like all the other machines in my studio. So I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Let's get to unboxing.
Welcome to Pieces of the Past. My name is Deborah. I have a passion for fiber arts and creating new things from old. Join me on my journey as I explore the endless possibilities, the tools, and the techniques to create new pieces of the past.
All right. So I got this machine, I got it from Amazon, which I do not have a problem with doing. It is a mechanical machine. Let's see what's in here. All right. Well, first we've got manuals. And I think that's French. Okay. We got manuals. Then, yeah, I can't get these styrofoams out, so we're gonna get some help over here to get this out of the box. You wanna help me? There we go. Okay. Oh, that's the cover. Okay. All right, so that was the cover part of the machine, the hard cover. Let's see, let's look at that. Oh, get rid of the styrofoam. Yay! Okay, so it comes with a hard cover, not a flimsy one. Let's see if I can get this off. Okay. Ooh, isn't that pretty? All right, so it comes with a hard cover. And then, let's see. Let's look at these. Okay, we're gonna look at these at the end here. Let's get this out of the box. So you wanna come help me get that out of the box? All right. Ooh, she's pretty. Okay. Oh, you got the box? Okay. Cool. Thank you. She's well packed too. All right. One of the things that I liked about this machine and one of the selling points to me was that it's got metal parts. This is plastic, but this is metal, which is awesome. So it's heavy duty. Heavy duty, by the way, means that it's got a stronger motor than your normal home sewing machine. That's pretty much all heavy duty means. So there she is. She comes with presser foot. Typical presser foot. Let's see. Okay. Yep, there's your basic presser foot. And the cover, of course. And then, let's see. Attachments, these are the feet. Let's see what it comes with in the feet. We will be doing a review of this machine in comparison to the Singer 4423, which is another heavy duty machine, just a different brand. And we will compare them. Okay, so in the box was the foot pedal, or gas pedal as we like to call it. There is a seam guide in here. This you put in the machine here to judge your seam allowance. Then a walking foot for quilting, a free motion foot for quilting as well, depending on what you want to do. This bar goes with the quilting foot, the walking foot. A 1/4 inch foot for piecing, and an open toe foot. So those are the items that were in that one bag. And then, whoops, your cleaning brush. What else we got? Oh, more feet, yay. I do not know what that foot is, but there you go. And that one, that's a rolled hem foot. This one is a cording foot. Some bobbins, another somewhat open toe foot, a buttonhole foot, another bar, that's redundant, but whatever. A zipper foot, can you see that? Zipper foot, screwdriver, seam ripper, another post, 2 thread holders, and a pack of needles. That's what was in there. So typical starter kit for any machine. There she is. I didn't even get to see the front of her. Oh, she's pretty. Okay, I think, does this open? I don't know. I honestly don't. Oh, there we go. Ah, look at that. Cool. Oh, the feet go in here. Okay, so let's see. This also opens, I believe. It should. Yep, that opens. It also comes off for the arm. We'll be doing a full review on this machine on one of our later videos. And also, before I let you go, I wanted to say that we have revamped our website, and you can see additional materials that go with each video if you go through the link in the description below. We usually put in templates for the how-to videos, things like that, extra instructions, things I might have forgotten to say, they'll be in there, just extra stuff for you. So we're hoping to do one of those to go along with every video. So I can put in there some of the details about this machine for this video so you can see them on paper and check it out. So I'm super excited. And she's pretty, she's black. Okay, well, so that's it. That's the unboxing, and we are going to do the comparison video coming up soon between the two heavy-duty machines. And until next time, thanks for subscribing, and I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun. I'm going to go play. See you next time.